Hey everybody, it's Cadence, and I am here with a bit of a different reaction this time. I'm trying to get into the groove of doing things other than music because they're copyright claimed and I can't make any money, and I kind of need that. I kind of need that money to go racing. If you haven't seen any of my racing videos, go check them out. They're a good time. We spent a lot of time working on those videos, and I spent a lot of time training and practicing for those races, so please go check them out. That would be pretty awesome. So actually this is kind of a racing video. I've always been a fan of pretty much any kind of motorsport. This is the best of rally jumps compilation. It is 12 minutes of just massive jumps. These guys are nuts. They are full speed. They don't know the layout, but they have a co-driver that just tells them like 4 right, and they process that information and determine the speed at which they can take the car into the corner. And it's so confusing, but it's just so cool to watch and listen to. So there's actually some recordings of like a cockpit camera with the co-driver microphone on, and it's just so cool to listen to. All right, I'm gonna stop blabbering on, and we are going to watch some pretty awesome rally jumps. So here we go. Whoa. Full send. Oof. A little bit rough. Oh man. He landed kind of cockeyed, like a little bit sideways. Oh man, that was close. Sweden is so fun. Ooh, cross carts. I love these things. Dude, I want to drive one of those so bad. Whoa. Flat sideways. Oh, he got so close to that barrier, too. Yo. Little Peugeot just sending it. Whoa, he even slowed down for that jump. Skoda. Oh. That was probably one of the most smooth jumps I've seen this video. Okay, no, that one was the most smooth right there. It was just gush. Whoa. Woo. Those people get... Alright. What I was saying was those people get dangerously close to those rally cars. Whoa. 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 Another little Peugeot. God, I love the sound of those cars. Oh, two-wheeled it. Little Mini. More Porsche. He jumped it again. I guess the Porsches do like asphalt rallies. Whoa, that was sick. That was so controlled. I don't know about you, but I really love the look of the Hyundais. They just... the color combo is beautiful. Oof! Ooh! And off he goes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, I came after that one at a weird angle. Whoa! Hey, another little Peugeot. More cross carts. Whoa! Dude. Whoa! Oh, he's not lifting. Whoa. Alright. Rip that handbrake. Ooh, little Lancia. Whoa, Lancia Delta. I'm seeing a lot of Yaris. Full send. That was smooth. That's a bit of an awkward jump because it goes straight into a turn. Bro, how fast are they going through that one? Oh, it's wet. It's muddy. Oh, that's even more scary. Moriaris. That was kind of a weak jump. Whoa. That was good. Right up against the barrier. That video is shot on a ham sandwich. Whoa! And he spun out. Here's a different angle. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, he just landed weird. Yo. Right, by the edge of a cliff. Nice. Woo. Cross carts. And smash that jump. Oof. Whoa. 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 There's more Porsche. Dude, I love these things. Whoa. Yeah, the only Porsches I've seen have been like purely on asphalt. Ooh, Sweden. Snowy rallies. They're so fun. Like, I've done it on my sim, and it's a blast. Full speed. Whoa. Woo. Yeah, these guys are crazy. Woo. It's like a triple jump right there. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Oh, that had to hurt a little bit. Oof. That was good. That was good. Whoa. Dude, he did an endo. Yeah, you could quite easily get some spinal compressions while rally racing. Whoa. Oh, that guy's car is really damaged. I love rally cars. Whoa. More Sweden. Whoa. There's a big chunk in the road right there. Just pops you up. Whoa. Oh, whoa, okay. That's a tricky spot. Yeah, yeah. Oh, he almost saved it. Yeah, he almost saved it. Oh my goodness. That's a cool angle right there. Whoa. Inches away, millimeters away from the wall. Whoa. Whoa. That is so scary. All right. Man. Whoa. Yeah, his whole front bumper is completely ripped off. That was good. Dude, I love Sweden rally courses. Whoa. That is so awkward. Yeah, that's really awkward because it's like a jump with a tree on the apex. All right, that's it. Yeah, I mean, these guys are they are crazy. These people are so crazy, but I love what they do, and it's really cool to look at this and be like, man, I would never do that, but that is awesome. Now, here's the thing. I would do that. I would probably only go to cross carts and not full-blown WRC rally cars. That was really cool. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more of this kind of racing content, because I love it, and it's a great time for me. So, thank you all so much for watching. Click here to watch another video, and make sure you click that like button. and subscribe button, and I will see you all next time. Bye!